Welcome everybody for this SSW website sprint review retro number 83 and planning 84. We're going to go through the email that we just went through with the team. So yeah, we had one goal for the current sprint, which was to finalize the image text block component. It's in review, we merge soon, so yeah, almost done. Just needed some sort of approvals, I think. That's why it was blocked. But yeah, it's ready to go. So we'll see it on the next sprint. This one went for a week. Matt is our PO. In terms of working hours, we had Caleb full-time, Isaac part-time, and Scrum Mastering for myself. Next one is the list of PBIs. So most of them, as you can see, are about the new components. We're trying to get as many as we can done soon. So this is our main goal for all the coming sprints. The big one was the breadcrumbs at the moment, which has been done by Isaac and Caleb together. Isaac, do you want to just mention?
So yeah, there's a little breadcrumb component that's going to exist at the top of the new consulting pages, but a big part of work in that one as well was making sure that the old consulting pages and the new ones can both exist on the /consulting route at the same time, and we can do a bit of a slow phase migration.
Does this make sense to you? Little. Do you want to explain?
Yeah, so you go to /consulting and it'll check if there's a new one of the redesigned consulting pages that have a bit of a different structure, and it'll render that page for you if it exists. And as a fallback, it will pull from the old consulting pages.
Right. And can I force it to look at the old
one? I guess we could add that as a field in Tina to look at.
Why would you want to look at the old one if there's one?
It exists and you might want to look at it. Is there any way?
It's the same path.
At the moment, no. Yeah, it's the same path. I don't think that it would take precedence for the new one.
You couldn't put something on the query string.
We could add something. Would you like that? Like a way to reach the old one?
That's the only way I could compare. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Sure.
We can think about that.
All right.
Just put question mark old or something.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Yeah. We'll work on this. Awesome. The rest is also all these components we're building. Do you want any insight on one of those, or
you can show me if there's something that I don't know what those are.
These are not built yet. It's just like new things that Louis is going to be using, like the image text block.
I'm running it locally if you want to see how some of the consulting pages look right now.
Awesome. Yeah, sure.
Yep. You can share the screen then.
Yeah, so this branch is kind of a merge branch that's got everything we've been working on so far. So like it's got that accordion component that Isaac worked on. It's got the nice image carousel, and it's got the image and text block component as well. And it also shows you some of the customization options that you have. Like you can have these lists side by side. You can choose where this image sits, like whether it sits at the top of the screen relative to the text block, or whether it sits right next to it and sort of in the middle.
You can also add the logos on the buttons. You want to show the logo button one? The one you showed before. If you scroll down a bit, the red button. Yeah, this one.
The red button.
Yeah, you can show the text.
I mean, that was already got a logo, or you can have no logo as well.
It's quite cool.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
I didn't think about that. That's very cool.
So, is this functionality only for our website, or is there anything going back into Tina, or anything going into the awesome thing?
Yeah, eventually once some tech debt is solved on that icon picker, the icon picker will go to Awesome Tina CMS.
Okay. Is that something Caleb could do with one of the Tina team members?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Okay, that's great.
Is it urgent for you?
I think it's important. I think when you add a piece, and you get into the product, you add a piece, you get into the product, rather than keep running full steam ahead on.
It'll be a separate package instead of in the product, but yes, it'll be available.
Okay, cool. We'll work on this one too. Awesome. I'll share again. All right, moving on to performance. Current sprint, we're up to 65, which is more than the last one. It was 62 from the last one, so it's going well. We still have the blocking time, which is there, but it's not too bad, so we're not bothered at the moment. Desktop is at 85, which is also great, more than last sprint too, so all going well. The SEMrush report, exactly the same as last sprint, so this means nothing to worry about. It's all up and running. I'll put the numbers here. You can see it's all the same.
Yep.
Same for the Google Search Console, so the index and non-index pages. We also have the same numbers, so basically, nothing to comment here. Fair requests, similar to last sprint. It's 32K for this one. It was 33 for the last one. Again, we have 24 coming from the bot, which we discussed in the past, nothing to do about it.
That's the one I emailed Microsoft a couple of times.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what it is. It's just there, but it doesn't bother us. Deployments, we had 7, which is a bit less than usual, but still good. We're expecting a lot more on the next one because we have all these components coming up. And for the retro, so a few went well. Keller mentioned that as I've made a lot of progress on the new Tina components, even though he was a bit blocked at some points, which we mentioned didn't go well. I said that team worked well, given there was no Scrum Master for 3 days because I was doing these workshops and client work. Matt said that Kevin and Isaac pair programmed, so that's good too, working together. And Isaac mentioned that it was nice to see the new components live on the website.
Right.
Didn't go well. Isaac stooged, that's a new word for me, by dependency between components, so it would be blocked by those. But
sorry, I don't know what stooge means.
Me neither.
It just means blocked or really, really slowed down.
Just slowed down.
Yeah.
In brackets, aka slowed down.
I shouldn't use these words.
I don't know that trick.
Trick.
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope not.
Which is not urgent yet, but we're going to create a tech.pbi for this one, just for the future, in case it needs to be fixed. And Caleb mentioned that he struggled with generating the consulting page. It takes 15 seconds on his laptop. We're going to investigate it, but that's like a smaller issue because we think it's just in his particular case. And he also mentioned that for improvements, he should raise hand earlier when he's blocked, basically.
Yeah, I just noticed that Isaac, like if Isaac's going to work on something complex, like an animation for particular pages, I noticed he'll reach out to Betty or someone before building out something he has to show, and that sort of makes it more time efficient.
He's just saying that Isaac is giving a good example.
Yeah, right.
And
so maybe
I
should copy Isaac.
Yeah.
I should copy Isaac.
Isaac's,
yeah, that's good. Cool. Now, one other thing I'll mention. There's 22 PRs, and some are really old. Can you make an effort to get that way down?
Yeah.
All
right.
Okay, right. Oh, yeah, that's a problem we have had in the past.
Yeah. Can you just put it down there?
I'll put this in that didn't go well.
What to improve?
Oh, improvements again, right.
Get rid of the 22 pull requests.
Yeah, okay.
Which
we can sort them out.
Lower the number of
pull requests.
PRs, 22 at the moment. Okay, we work on that. Anything else you guys want to add?
Is there a reason that you couldn't get that down to 0?
Some of the PRs still need work done on them, and it's like not insignificant work, so they're hard to just update.
Okay.
Hey, Baba.
Good morning, Baba.
Alrighty. Okay, we're good then?
Morning.
Okay.
Moving on to the forecasts. Here it is. So our goal for the next sprint is going to be a short one because we're going to move them to Tuesdays. So we have 3 days for the next sprint. It's just to do a done video where we show how to build the .NET consulting page with new components.
Is it 3 days with 2 people, which is 6 days?
3 people with Baba.
3 people?
Yeah.
So it's 9 days of work.
Yeah, correct. Yeah,
all right.
That's true. Yeah, the aim is to have a done video that shows how to build a new page with the new components.
Yes.
So like a demo that we can actually watch to learn. So yeah, that's what
we also see if Caleb could make progress getting that into Tina.
As a goal for the next sprint?
Yeah.
We can, but I feel it's a short sprint.
To solve first.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
For the next one, we could do it. If that's okay.
All right.
Okay, cool. We'll do it for the next sprint. And here's a list of PBIs. Actually, it's not going to be 3 weeks. It's going to be 3 days. Here we go.
In brackets, 3 people plus times 3 people.
Times 3 people. Like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's 3 dev.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Awesome. And this is our plan for the next sprint. So a lot of components. This is the main one because once this one is done, we can actually record it on video.
Right.
Happy with that?
Yep. Awesome.
Cool. Thank you, everybody. As usual, this recording is going to be uploaded to our YouTube channel over here. Oops. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You got to fix that camera.